Welcome to Chickakoo Lake. For many of you, this is where Pond Days happens, a day of fun, fresh air, and discovery. Chickakoo Lake is just one of more than 100 small lakes in Parkland County. Chickakoo Lake is part of the Chickakoo Recreation Area, where people come to enjoy the lake and its beautiful forests and hiking trails. Surrounding Chickakoo is its watershed, a patch of forest covering an area of land about 3 times as large as the lake itself. Most of the rainfall and snowmelt that occurs on this land moves downhill, soaking into soil, moss, leaf litter, and vegetation on its slow journey to the lake. The shoreline, also called the riparian area, is vital to the health of the lake. It filters and cleans the water, draining down into the lake, and protects the lakeshore from erosion. The result is a healthy lake brimming with life. Billions of microscopic algae and plankton, along with millions of insect larvae, water plants, and other living things thrive in this water. The number of living things in the lake is truly astonishing. You'll be able to see many of these creatures yourself when you come to Pond Days. These tiny animals and plants are part of a giant food web that nourishes other animals in the lake, like fish, birds, amphibians, and mammals. The forests of the Chickakoo watershed are home to many kinds of trees, plants, and fungi. Some of these have beautiful flowers, and many produce edible wild fruit. Their leaves, bark, and fruit feed many of the animals that live in the forest. And if you enjoy seeing wildlife, then a watershed is the place to be. At Chickakoo, you'll find dozens of kinds of birds, mammals, and amphibians, and even one species of reptile, the red-sided garter snake. The reason there's so much wildlife here is because there are so many different habitats. Think about it. Where else can you go and find forested uplands, rich shorelines, and an abundant lake all in one place? It's like a big city for wildlife, providing shelter, food, and water for all of its residents. What we do inside a watershed matters. Changes such as the construction of roads and homes can affect the health of the watershed if it's not done carefully. Disturbing the vegetation around the shore takes away the natural filter that helps a lake or stream stay healthy. It is also important to control chemicals and waste in the watershed. This is because gravity can bring it right into the lake, where it can harm plants and animals in the water. People in Parkland County care deeply about these lakes. Everyone can take steps to protect them by not damaging shorelines and keeping waste and chemicals carefully contained. If you are coming to Chickakoo Lake for Pond Days, we hope you enjoy your time here. And while you're here, take a moment to look around at the hills and slopes that form this watershed. Remember, you're not just standing by a lake, you're standing inside a living ecosystem. Happy exploring.